आरबीआई की 2 अभिनव ग्राहक केंद्रित पहलों का शुभारंभ कर रहे हैं पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी। वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया है। केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री और आरबीआई गवर्नर भी मौजूद हैं। अब एक ही पोर्टल मेल पर बैंकों की शिकायतें हो सकेंगी। सीधे आपको दिखाएंगे कार्यक्रम की तस्वीरें। तो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए कार्यक्रम हो रहा है, सीधे तस्वीरें कार्यक्रम से जुड़े।
Honorable Prime Minister, Governor of Reserve Bank, members of the Central Board of the RBI, ministers of Government of India and also the states, industry leaders and other participants. I begin with a word of appreciation for the coordination and cooperation with which the RBI worked together with Government of India, Ministry of Finance during the pandemic, as a result of which many people-centric and sensitive decisions were taken in time with the guidance of the Prime Minister. And as a result, today we see the economy reviving with great gusto, if I may use the word, and as a result of which the confidence in the Indian economy is very appreciated and is growing not just in India but across the globe. Now, this kind of a inclusive financial thinking and also acting to appreciate the larger agenda of the government for inclusive financial driven growth. So in this context, if during the pandemic, the Reserve Bank of India and the Ministry of Finance have worked in this kind of a spirit of cooperation, today I see the Reserve Bank of India coming up with 2 important initiatives, which is just going to underline and also take further this financial inclusion principle. The retail direct that the Reserve Bank is having launched today through the honorable presence of the Prime Minister is something which is going to help 2 or 3 things importantly. 1, engage with the retailers for retail participation, deepen the bond market and allow for a fair market determined rates for all the across the yield curve. And therefore it's an important measure. The retail participation has been hesitant all these years because of the cost involved and because of the traditional intermediary system which has prevailed. Now this will probably bring in a direct cost-free, convenience-driven and also build confidence